So suppose you want a new iPod, and I think most of us today would be like, yeah, who cares? It's on my cell phone already. I don't need it. But when you go to the store to pick up the iPod, you discover you have a lot of options to choose from. And here's a tree diagram showing you all those options. So we can look at the Nano, for example, the Nano iPod, and see if we get the 8 gigabyte Nano iPod. We have all these color choices, and each of them comes with engraving or no engraving. So we have a lot of options there on our tree diagram, and it nicely shows what we have available. We want to know, we have a couple of questions. How many different iPods are available? To find that, I'm going to have to count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 42, 4, 6, 8. So I came up with 48 different iPods that you could choose from. And then we're asking what is the sample space, and to list out the sample space, it would have to be all the different options that you can have. And I'm going to start at the very top, pick one of the final outcomes, so engraved, silver, shuffle. So I would have a shuffle, which is silver, and it's engraved. And then I could also have a shuffle, silver, that's not engraved. And then the next thing in the list is an engraved blue shuffle. So a shuffle still. And engraved, and then a shuffle blue not engraved. And then we can continue through all of these outcomes and track them back to see what type of iPod it was. For example, I'll start at a random spot here. This would be an engraved blue 16 gig Nano. So I would probably put it in the other order, Nano 16 gig blue engraved, and put that in my list. So we could list out the entire sample space by going through a tree diagram, and it would help us out quite a bit because it shows every option